Christmas, Brady. Do you like that snow globe?
You know what though?
This-
I love to maybe tomorrow at the beach or something. Get a real good picture of all four of them. You know, it's cute.
Yes. This is Christmas Eve and Brady's playing with one of his presents. Yeah. That is so cool.
We got some, and it was very cheap, and it was like $2. Most of them were like $5, $4 or
We
something.
gotta get Cracker Barrel.
Most
Aww. He loves it. It plays such nice music. Yeah. You say hi, Taylor? There's Taylor. Yeah. It's Brady's first Christmas. He's gonna get Taylor's sandwich. Oh yeah. Watch him, watch him, watch him. Uh-oh. Watch him, he'll tear it all up. He just thinks it's
He may not look much like me, but he's mine.
He thinks food and everything is a toy. Look, here he comes. He's coming for that sandwich.
You're not getting it.
He said, but Taylor, that looks really good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well that's all for now.